Meaning of die-cast.
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 Die-cast. Die-cast refers to a manufacturing process used to create detailed and complex metal parts and components. The process involves heating the metal until it melts and then forcing it into a mold under high pressure. This results in precise and accurate reproduction of the mold design, with a smooth surface finish. Die-cast parts are known for their durability and strength and are commonly used in the automotive, aerospace, and toy industries. Overall, die casting is a highly efficient method of producing high-quality metal parts with consistent accuracy and precision.